It's a palatal and
Palatal is near. That's near.
That's near.
Near is palatal.
Okay, so near is the palatal.
This is one.
Okay, this is the one.
One. One. One. One.
How do you write it? How do you write it? Like,
Kakha gakha one.
Kakha,
Oh.
last one. Last one. Okay, down.
Kakha gakha one. Cha 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 near. All right. I assume you are also writing, right? And did you pronounce it? Do it though. Next week maybe we'll spend the. Okay, all right. Then the third thing on that series is Visharga. Visharga, which is again connected to vowel. It doesn't have independent sound. When I said it doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. It only exists with the vowel. With the vowel. You know what I'm saying? Amanta. So I must say and that after the I have a little puff of air. You understand? Which is, because it's there, we give it half matra. We kind of say that yes, it exists. But it doesn't exist by itself. It needs the support of the vowel. Okay? Do you follow that? Like all three of them. All three of them. All three of them. That's what they're taken as vowels. They're not vowels. Why they're not vowels? Because they can behave slightly differently in different conditions. We'll come to that. But they are with the. So they have like a little hybrid and so on. All right. Okay. So now another thing we want to learn is, suppose we learn this consonants, and consonants we said can now take vowels with them to conjoin. And I said in the larger context that the consonants are the thoughts and the vowels are the animation of the thoughts. You know what I mean? How the thought manifests, what the thought does, you know what I mean? In various ways. So in other words, that's my rendering. The thought is there, but this is the thought, this is the way I am rendering that thought. So basically the idea then is that thought is static, right? And I am embellishing it and giving it a character, I'm giving it a color. Shura. I'm kind of adding some to it. All right. Then the other process is that those thoughts that I have, can I really mix them up? Do you follow? And that's something we can also. Which means that even though there are two different, they're all kind of blocked, I can do one after the other before it will happen. That means I have a ka followed by another ka. Do you understand? Which means that particular thought of ka that I had is now reinforced. Do you follow? I had a ka thought, whatever that thought was. You know, I mean, again, neurologically I do not know. So that experiment has not been done. Again, I'm thinking that some of these boys should kind of either prove or disprove. You know what I'm saying? But I'm kind of delighted that there'll be something out there, because why otherwise so melodious? Why literature stayed to that? You know, I mean, everything else developed, Greek, Latin, you know, I mean, what happened? So there must be some sense there. There must be some kind of a organization. Otherwise it can't be just that strong. So the question is, we take it empirically, not examining the science behind it. And my thinking is that if there are no signs, probably would have been lost. Because, people will distort it. But we handle it. It still sounds good to us. We relate to it, not because my mother taught me. It just sounds good to me. I relate to it. So two things are there because some of them are natural sounds, but some of them probably also I connect. I'll come to that little later. Okay, all right. So now we have this, we can put one next to the other or one over the other before I tell the vowel. Our previous thing holds. What is previous thing? That consonant has the vanyana and the vowel will come over it. You know what I mean? And the consonant is fully done as it should be done. Say cha,
Cha.
cha,
Cha.
cha,
Cha.
cha. So cha has the cha. Cha has the sound at the end.
Cha.
So now what I'm doing is, I'm doing cha, cha together, let us say. Before doing the vowel. Before doing the vowel. Then you say, how can you do that? How can you do that?
Cha.
How can you do that? Right? How do you do that? Right? So which means what I'll do is here, that I make one cha ready, and other cha just behind it. Ready. Ready. So when my mouth opens, one cha goes, other cha jumps out. Not that I say cha and cha, but I say
Cha. Cha. Cha.
no.
Cha.
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 Cha. Cha.
So cha, cha, ah. Or no, cha you can't say that. Cha is, cha can't be said. So, but cha is already come up to here.
Because otherwise there will be an I in the middle. If you say cha cha, then there is I.
Right.
Then cha.
No, it's not there.
You can
it's
bring
not
the
there.
vowel.
Right. So basically, I kind of prepare myself.
Cha.
So which basically again means that once you are not fully breathing right, you can't do that. And so everybody does errors. Do you understand that? So anytime, this is called compound letters. Compound letters. Now compound letters are an invention of Sanskrit. In the older letters, the tribal letters, where the Sanskrit might have originated. Do you understand? Something called Prakrit. Prakrit means people spoke naturally. Naturally. And when you speak naturally, you don't have any compounding parts. You have the light, air, fire, sun, simple things. So now this compounding comes up when you have something you want to describe, an action. Which is not a straight action. You are not going straight, you are going vakra. Vakra. Vakratunda. Vakra. So Vakratunda. So what that happens is, now you are seeing a motion and you want to describe that, which was not necessary before. Earlier it was like a straight Sara, Sarita, Saradi, like that, or move, Chala, Gamana, like that you had. It's okay, I go to you, come to me, things like that. Now, Vakratun. Okay? So which becomes a little more complicated, but the idea that is, again the discovery, that is possible. Discovery is, it's possible. It's possible. That is, I can take double consonants, even triple consonants. I can use. But the question is, can I really, my breath will support me? Or I'll say such a manner, it will kind of faltering. I have the sound, but it doesn't, those thoughts did not really neurologically combine. Vakra did not come out. You know what I'm saying? I say vakra. You know what I'm saying? So that is where the thing comes in. The phonetically we become, so like somebody said that the Vedic, they become too strict about it, so that they become ritualistic. proper pronunciation and so on. It's not ritualistic, it's therapeutic. You follow? Therapeutic. That you are, if you're doing right, you're breathing right. And breathing right, you are getting extra energy. Suppose you did chant 24 hours and you breathe right. Of course your mind is clean. Because you breathe right. You increase your health. You know what I'm saying? And then suppose you say God helped you and so on, you fight. Who helped you? Yeah, you did. The therapeutic to yourself. So that is where they are saying that be, don't jump around. You know what I mean? Be steady, be in place, and then go on doing it. Mark your pronunciation. Why mark your pronunciation? Mind is in there. And if your mind, you could put 10 minutes on it, you become a king. You see what I'm saying? And that's the theory behind so-called mantra sadhana. All right? That is, you are kind of trying to simulate a situation where you can reflect. You can reflect. And I think what happens through that process, I think, is that when you are breathing right, and you are reading, and you are thinking right, your mind is steady, and you seem to see. That's they call sadhana. You see. You physically see. You physically see, I mean you see. You see. You see. So not that you see and then you say, hey, I saw and so on, I'm bigger and smaller and so on. But you have at that point you become creative. You can write, you can design, you are seeing. You are seeing. Ideas are coming to you. But if you're not applying them, that I want to go somewhere and do somebody's task, then you don't need to see. So creativity is that from your own mind you have gone out. You know what I mean? Gone out. And you are seeing the earth from somewhere. You've gone out. And so